Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to log in into Hana Bank's online banking in South Korea. Perfect if you're managing your money with one of Korea's top banks in 2025. Now guys, first open your browser and head to hanabank.com. I'm already here. That's the official site. Make sure you're on the Korean version. Look for the core toggle at the top right if it's in English. Now, guys, we can have two options how to translate the website. You can go to language right over here. For some reason it got me somewhere else. Let me come back. So choose a language, choose English. Okay, now let it load. As you can see, the domain is Korean, so it's going to take a little bit of time. And now, guys, as you can see in here, we have a login button. Tap on that. Let us wait. Korean websites load for a long time. Okay, now let us continue. So most folks use a certain public certificate. So plug in your USB or pick it from your PC if it's stored there. Then enter your certificate password. It's usually 10 plus characters. No certificate. Well, you need to use a simple login with your Hana 1Q app PIN. Scan the QR code with your phone and input your 6-digit PIN. Either way works. After that, verified. For certificates, you might need a OTP prompt. Check your registered phone for a code and type it in. With 1Q, the app handles it after the PIN. Just approve it there. If it's your first time or a new device, expect extra security. And that's basically it, guys. Now you can use your certificate or 1Q PIN, verified, or troubleshoot if stuck. Logs in yet? Drop your experience below. Like and subscribe for more banking hacks. See you next time.